everyone. Children, today we are going to learn about this is again for 8th standard construction we are doing, children. And for this 8th standard, the very last, second last sum, 5th one, where we are supposed to construct an isosceles triangle, and then in the same isosceles triangle we are supposed to construct altitude as well as median. So, very first thing you should know what is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means the triangle whose two sides are congruent are known as isosceles triangle. Again, here measurement is not given to you, so you can draw with any measurement, children. For construction we need pencil, a rounder, that is compass. Okay, this much is sufficient. Then first we will draw a, here again measurement is not given to draw the isosceles triangle. So, by any measurement we are drawing this, children. Randomly we are taking any measurement. So, here what I am taking, I took base as 6 centimeter. I took segment AB is equals to 6 centimeter. And you know about isosceles triangle, a rough figure I am drawing, children. Isosceles triangle means two sides congruent. So, suppose the name of the triangle I am taking as ABC. Here AB I am taking 6 centimeter and AC and BC both I am taking 7 and 7 centimeter. So, two sides are congruent. Any measurement you can take, children. I selected this measurement, you can take any measurement. So, first you draw on the base, so it is 6 centimeter. Then we will take the rounder. With the help of the scale, children, measure 7 centimeter from your rounder. Why we are measuring 7 centimeter? Because remaining two sides of isosceles triangle we took as 7 centimeter. So, with the help of rounder and scale, measure 7 centimeter, children. I hope you can, it is very clear for you. So, now after taking 7 centimeter, keep the pointer of the rounder at point B and cut the arc. Don't change the measurement, don't change the measurement. With the same measurement, now keep the pointer at point A and cut the arc. Where both the arc intersect, highlight that point, that will be your point C. Now, join AC and join BC. So, the triangle we got isosceles triangle, but this is not the only thing they ask you to do. Here we are supposed to construct altitude as well as median for this triangle. So, let us construct altitude. For construction of altitude, we need a set square and scale. So, for scale you will place it exactly on point AB, coinciding it. Your AB and scale should coincide each other, and keep your set square in this way. And slowly slide your set square. How long you will slide, children? Unless and until the other point of set square touch point C. So, once it touch point C, you will just highlight this, hold this tightly with the help, simultaneously hold your scale as well as set square together, children, and then join this. So, here I got altitude, this is altitude. First we will draw all the three altitudes. Okay. So, same way, now I am decided that I need to draw the altitude at point from on segment AC. So, I will keep this point like this, then I will take the set square, keep the set square like this, it should form a right angle, you can see that, and slowly slide that at set square so that the other end of the set square touches the point B. So, as soon as it touches point B, join this. So, where both the altitudes meet, that point is called as, children, orthocenter. Okay. So, here I am giving the name as your first altitude, let me give this name as CM, then next is BN, and where altitude meet, that point is known as orthocenter. Let me give this as name O. So, once you got two altitude, without delay we will draw the third one also. Without delay we will draw the third one, and that also no need of using set square. Directly with the help of a scale you will join A and then join the altitude, join the orthocenter, point A and orthocenter like this. Okay. As you know, जहाँ से 2 एल्टीट्यूड पास हुआ है, तीसरा भी वहीं से पास होना है. So the construction of altitude is finished. The 3 altitudes are CM, BN and AP. Now next is same triangle में we are supposed to draw the median also. The same triangle we are supposed to draw median. So for that purpose what we will do children, median का construction आपको पता है. median बनाने के लिए what all thing we need? We need here for median we don't need set scale, we just need rounder and scale. M for median, M for midpoint. So जैसा median आया ऑटोमेटिकली दिमाग में मिड पॉइंट रेडी होना चाहिए, मुझे मिड पॉइंट बनाना है. तो इन द सेम डायग्राम वी नीड ना, तो ए बी में मुझे पहला मिड पॉइंट बनाना है. तो व्हाट विल आई डू एट इन पॉइंट ए, आई विल कीप माई पॉइंटर. मिड पॉइंट बनाने के लिए मुझे परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाना पड़ेगा. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर के लिए क्या मेथड है, पॉइंट ए साइड ए बी का मिड पॉइंट मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. तो आई विल कीप द पॉइंटर एट पॉइंट ए, टेक द डिस्टेंस मोर देन हाफ. Same method as I explained in the median. Cut the arc on either side of AB. I cut the arc on either side of AB. Don't change the distance children, don't change the distance. Keep it on point B. Again do the same thing. Cut the arc on either side. Now where the arc both meet, join that point. Join that point. So what we can see, here when I am joining this I can see my median. तो मुझे ऐसे slowly I will draw with the dotted line. I will draw by using the dotted line. So this is the midpoint. M is the midpoint. So AM is congruent to BM. So अभी जो altitude था वही उसका median हो गया. Now join this. So what I got? What can I conclude? For the isosceles triangle, when I drawn the first median CM और altitude भी वही आया, median भी same वही आया. Now let us try for the second one also. Second के लिए भी वही है कि let us check it children. अभी हमने AB का मीडियन बना दिया, अब मुझे AC का मीडियन बनाना है. Okay, let's so what will I do? I will keep the pointer at point A, take distance more than half, cut the arc on either side of AC. So here one side, here दोनों जगह कट करना है children. Okay, now don't change the distance, keep it on point C, keep it on point C, cut the arc. Okay. Just jot down the points. दोनों पॉइंट को नोट डाउन करो एंड जस्ट जॉइन दिस पॉइंट वेयर बोथ दिस मीडियन मीट्स. जहाँ पे दोनों आर्क इंटरसेक्ट हुआ वो दोनों को जॉइन करो. आई जॉइन दिस. चिल्ड्रन you can just rewind this video and see again and again if you are getting confused. तो जहाँ पे दोनों पॉइंट मीट हुआ, so this is the midpoint. So I am giving this midpoint. Now midpoint here I am giving the name as Q. Okay, so now let me draw the midpoint. So here I am drawing this median. Here the second median I am drawing with the help of a pencil. So this is first median, here this is the first median and second. तो ये where both the median meets, अभी यहाँ पे दो median इधर मिला, so this will be your centroid. This will be your centroid. So now once you got your centroid, we'll directly join the vertex. We will directly join the vertex, third vertex and centroid, and you will extend this. तीसरा वाला बनाने के लिए हम लोग इतना मेहनत नहीं करेंगे, as you know. जहाँ पे दो मीडियन मिला, तीसरा भी उधर ही मिलने वाला. तो once I got centroid, थर्ड वर्टेक्स और सेंट्रॉइड को ज्वाइन करो, उसको एक्सटेंड करो. हाउ लॉन्ग यू विल एक्सटेंड टिल इट टचेस द ऑपोजिट साइड, एंड आई एम गिविंग द नेम एज आर. सो हियर द डायग्राम सी इज लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. नाउ ये डायग्राम अभी मैंने इसीलिए मैंने क्या किया, मीडियन को पेंसिल से बनाया है और एल्टीट्यूड को मैंने पेन से बनाया टू डिफ्रेंशिएट. नाउ व्हाट यू सी नियर चिल्ड्रेन, अभी दो एल्टीट्यूड में से टोटल 3 एल्टीट्यूड है और 3 मीडियन है. इसमें से तीनों में से एक एल्टीट्यूड और एक मीडियन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल के लिए सेम है. मीन सेगमेंट सी एम, जो तुम्हारा सेगमेंट सी एम है, दिस सी एम इज एल्टीट्यूड. सेगमेंट सी एम एल्टीट्यूड भी है एंड एज वेल एज सेगमेंट सी एम इज मीडियन ऑल्सो. सेगमेंट सी एम मीडियन भी है. सो ओनली वन एल्टीट्यूड, ओनली वन एल्टीट्यूड कोइंसाइड ईच अदर, बाकी दो अलग है. बाकी दो altitude which are the other two altitude children? Bn is altitude, Bn is altitude, and which is the next altitude? AP is also altitude. So here I got 3 altitude, and which are the 3 median? One median is segment CM, and which is the other 2 median? Segment AR is the other median, and segment BQ is the third median. So what conclusion you can make after going through this, children? What conclusion you can make for isosceles triangle? For isosceles triangle, when I am drawing a altitude and median on non-congruent side, altitude, altitude, altitude and median drawn on non-congruent side, non-congruent side, coincide each other, coincide each other means they are one and they are same, coincide each other. So this is the conclusion which we can make. This is the conclusion, children. So तुमने अपने दोनों बनाया, एक ही आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल में आपने मीडियन भी बनाया और आपने एल्टीट्यूड भी बनाया. सेंट्रॉइड एंड ऑर्थो सेंटर आर द टू डिफरेंट पॉइंट. ये तुम्हारा ऑर्थो सेंटर है और ये आपका सेंट्रॉइड है. अब बना के देखो, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज चिल्ड्रन. तो इसको आपको थोड़ा क्लियर करने के लिए मैंने डायग्राम में यू कैन सी, जो मीडियन है मैंने पेंसिल से बनाया है और जो एल्टीट्यूड है वो मैंने पेन से बनाया. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर एज आई सेड, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर का फंक्शन यहाँ पे इतना ही है, मिड पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हेल्प कर रहा है और कुछ काम नहीं परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर का यहाँ पे, कि मिड पॉइंट भी ना तो हम लोग मीडियन बना ही नहीं सकते ना. ओके चिल्ड्रन, so this sum you asked me to do, so this is the fourth sum. Please go through this. If any confusion, rewind this video again and again and you see it will be more clear for you. Fine children, thank you.